Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 6 Chapter 11 Perimeter and Area Exercise 11.1. Let us see the definition. What is perimeter? Sum of all the lengths of a polygon is called its perimeter. If we want to find perimeter, we have to find sum of all the lengths of this polygon, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3, that equals to 9 centimeter. See now exercise 11.1 first sum. Find the perimeter of the following figures. See the first one, they have given a triangle and each side is 2 centimeters. Let us see here first one. Check whether the perimeter of triangle XYZ is equal to 3 into length of the side. Let us see the solution. Perimeter of triangle XYZ is length of each side 2 cm, 2 cm plus 2 cm. That is 6 cm. Let us check perimeter of triangle XYZ is equal to 3 into length of the side or not. That equals to 3 into length of each side is 2 cm. 3 into 2, 6 cm. Hence it is verified. See now second sum, they have given a square having each side 3 cm. Check whether the perimeter of square ABCD is equal to 4 into length of the side. Let us see the solution. Perimeter of square ABCD is length of each side, that is 3 cm plus 3 cm, 6 cm plus 3 cm plus 3 cm, that is 6 cm. 6 plus 6, 12 cm. Now let us check perimeter of square ABCD is equal to 4 into length of the side. That equals to 4 into length of each side is 3 cm. So 4 3s are 12 cm. See now question number 1, third sum. Check whether the perimeter of PQRS is equal to 4 into length of the side. See here, perimeter of PQRS means sum of lengths of all sides, that is 2 centimeters on each side. So perimeter of PQRS is equal to 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Total is 8 centimeter. Now let us check perimeter of PQRS is equal to 4 into length of the side, that equals to 4 into length of each side is 2 centimeter. 4 into 2, that is 8 centimeter. See now question number 2. Measurements of two rectangular fields are 50 meters into 30 meters and 60 meters by 40 meters. Find their perimeters. Check whether the perimeters are 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Let us see the solution. Given length and breadth of first rectangular field is 50 meters by 30 meters. That is, length is 50 meters and breadth is 30 meters. Therefore, perimeter of first rectangular field is sum of its four sides, that is 50 plus 30, 50 plus 30. 50 plus 30 means 80. 50 plus 30 means again 80. 80 plus 80 is 160 meters. Now let us check perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. 2 into 50 plus breadth is 30. So 2 into 30. 2 50s are 100 meters. 2 30s are 60 meters. 100 plus 60, that equals to 160 meters. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Hence it is verified. See now second bit. Given length and breadth of second rectangular field, that is 60 meters by 40 meters. The perimeter of rectangular field is equal to length of four sides, that is 60 plus 40 plus 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40, 100 meters. 60 plus 40 again 100 meters. 100 plus 100, that is 200 meters. Now let us check perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. That equals to 2 into 60 plus 2 into 40. The length is 60 and breadth is 40 meters. 2 into 60 is 120 meters. 2 into 40 is 80 meters. So 120 plus 80, that equals to 200 meters. Yes, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. That equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Hence it is verified. See now question number 3. Find the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose side is 3.5 cm. And question number B, a square whose side is 4.8 cm. Let us see the solution. A bit. Given side of an equilateral triangle is 3.5 centimeter. Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is equal to sum of its three sides or 3 into side. Why? Because a triangle has three sides. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Now the formula is 3 into length of each side, that equals to 3 into each side length is 3.5 centimeter. Now let us multiply 3 into 3.5, that is 3 5s are 15. So 5 carry 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. Keep this decimal point here. So the answer is 10.5 centimeter. See now B solution. Given side of a square is 4.8 centimeter, perimeter of a square is sum of its four sides or 4 into length of each side. Why? Because a square has four sides. Our formula is 4 into length of each side, that equals to 4 into length of each side is 4.8 centimeter. Now let us multiply them. 4 8s are 32, 2 carry 3, 4 4s are 16 plus 3, that is 19. Keep here decimal point. So the answer is 19.2 centimeter. See now question number 4. Length and breadth of top of one table is 160 centimeters and 90 centimeters respectively. Find how much length of beading is required for each table. See the solution. Given length of a table is equal to 160 centimeter, breadth of a table is equal to 90 centimeter. We have to find length of beading, that is nothing but perimeter of rectangle, that equals to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, that equals to 2 into length is 160 centimeters, so 2 into 160 plus 2 into breadth, that is 2 into breadth value is 90, so 2 into 90. 2 into 160 means 320, 2 into 90 means 180. 320 plus 180, that equals to 500 centimeter. Therefore, length of beading required for each table is 500 centimeter. See now question number 5. Manasa has 24 centimeters of metallic wire with her. She wanted to make some polygons with equal sides, whose sides are integral without milling into pieces values. Find how many such polygons she can make with the length of 24 centimeters metallic wire. Let us see the solution now. Given length of metallic wire is 24 centimeters, we know that factors for 24 are 1 into 24, 2 12s are, 3 8s are, 4 6s are, and reverse order 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 24 1s are 24. So 24 can be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. That is, factors for 24 are all these numbers. Therefore, the polygons we can form for the given length with sides 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Therefore, the length of the sides are equal. So, units are 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 1 centimeter respectively. See now question number 6. Find the perimeter of the following figures. See the first one. Observe this figure. Let's find perimeter for this. Perimeter equal to 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Next, 1 centimeter count here. How many times they have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 times we have added 1 centimeter here. Now let us do addition. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So total is 22 centimeter. Observe now second figure. See the perimeter, that equals to 5 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. Count how many ones were present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 times 1 centimeter we have added. Let us do addition. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 9, total 18 centimeter. See now question number 7. Statement P. So many rectangles exist with the same perimeter. See statement Q. So many squares exist with the same perimeter. Which option is correct? Option A, P wrong, Q correct. Option B, P correct, Q wrong. Option C, P and Q are correct. Option D, P and Q are wrong. Let us see the solution. Here option B, P correct and Q wrong. Why? Because lengths and breadths of a rectangle can change for the same perimeter. But the side of a square cannot change for the same perimeter. Today we have seen chapter 11 exercise 11.1 all sums. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.